In today's video, I want to show you how you can add DNS records for your Namecheap domain. So let's say you are connecting your domain to your website or some hosting platform like Vercel or Netlify. So the first step is open Namecheap and you want to click on your profile. So your name over here at the top, then dashboard from the dropdown. And in the dashboard, you want to look for domain list. And now from here you should see all your available domains you own. Currently I have only this one, and to add DNS records you want to go to Manage next to your domain, then Advanced DNS over here, and from here under the host records you will see all your DNS records which you added. So currently I have 0 records, and to add new one you just want to click on this red Add New Record. And from here, you can add your record. So you want to choose firstly type of the record. So you have a record, CNAME, TXT, and many more. Then you want to choose host or name. And next is the value, so IP address. And you have also TTL, but you can keep it on automatic. So let me show you on the real example. So I'm currently connecting this domain to Vercel, and I need to configure my DNS records. So I need to add those 2 records from Vercel to Namecheap. So the first one is A, this is the name, and this is the value. And this is the second record, which is CNAME, name is www, and this is the value. So you want to copy the value of the DNS record, go back to Namecheap and choose type A, name is this symbol, and then the value, just paste it, and then click on this check mark, and this is going to add DNS record. So as you can see, this is how you can add DNS record. We can also add the second one. So the second one is CNAME, name is www, and this is the value. So I'm going to copy just the value, and I will find CNAME record here. So this is it. In the host, type www, target value, click on check mark. And this is basically how you can add DNS records. Now you just want to wait for it to get checked. And in a couple of minutes, you should see like valid configuration on Vercel. And as you can see, it's also generating SSL certificates. So this is for security of the website. And once this SSL certificate is done, it means it's connected. So our DNS records are correct, and this is how you can add DNS records in Namecheap. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.